Hello beauties and welcome back. This is Wangali with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you a video. Our video today is going to be on I want to say get ready with me, but I guess get ready with me. So let's get started. Well, first of all, I am going to start this video off with I had a company to reach out to me, which is called Instylish. And they asked me to review some sponges for them, makeup sponges. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Now I'm gonna tell you, I haven't been using sponges to put on makeup in a while. I've been basically loving putting it on with my brush, makeup brush. But I do use the sponge to put on my concealer. So for today, I'm gonna go ahead and use it because I am doing a quick review and get ready with me at the same time. Since I was doing a review, I just decided I might as well go ahead and film and get ready with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you'll be seeing it for the first time. And this company, like I said, is called Instylish. They reached out to me and I said, well, why not? I was about to go out and buy some sponges. So I said, let me see how these come. So it looks something like that. And this is it. It just says it's a multifunctional makeup sponge and has their website. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I just had surgery on my eyes, so I'm definitely not able at this time to be able to read the back of it. But this is the back. So if my camera picks that up for you to see it, because I'm not able to have my glasses or anything right now because I just had the eye surgery. So that's what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with getting ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the package. The sponges that I use right now are the Beauty Blender and Real Techniques sponges. So this right here is pretty dense, but yeah. So that's what it has, a small little point. This is a little dense, but we're gonna see how it works. It has a flat side here. Then it has another flat side there, which go like this. Little point, get up in there like that, flat side, dab, 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 dab. Okay? So I've cleansed my face and did all that. And so I'm gonna wet this. Ooh, she got good. Well, she got good and fluffy. This is her wet. And this is the look of her not wet. So I'm gonna basically pretty much probably speed through it until I'm ready to show you the beauty blending part. I've already shaken up my makeup and guess I'll put it on over here. And I'm gonna do something pretty well. My everyday, all day, the only thing I really actually know. And I'm gonna put it on and use it the regular, what I use. I think I might have used too much makeup. Okay, here we go. Way bulky? Maybe I shouldn't have wetted it so much. I just feel bulky. And for me, it probably feel bulky too because I have not used a sponge in I don't know how long to put on makeup. Well, it don't look bad. It's just pretty much sheared out my foundation. So this is what we're looking like after. Well, this has absorbed some foundation. Okay. All right, I'm back. So this is where we at the moment. Come in. And it sheared the makeup out pretty good. Not what I was going for, but it did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and don't want to put more makeup on because I don't need more makeup. But I am gonna go ahead and use my, now what I used today was, for makeup was, my Maybelline is the Matte Poreless. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Naked Skin from Breaking Out for some reason or whatever. So I'm gonna put a few around, a little bit around my chin and under my eyes. I mean under my chin. I'm so sorry, on my cheeks. These little spots right up in here. I'm gonna give them some love today. And for the most part, I normally am right there. And I'm gonna go under my eye. Drying down your concealer some before you begin to blend it. And you get better coverage. And I need coverage. I'm not a full heavy on makeup type girl. But if I use something for, you know, concealer, I do want it to conceal. So that's where we at. Let me put on a little concealer for a little brightness. Now, what I have is the Eraser Dark Circles. It's the Age Rewind. And this is by Maybelline also. And this is in the color Carmel. And what I do is just dab it around here. Don't do a whole lot. It's just to lighten up this area, but I do find that this dries down quickly, so just to brighten a little area in my face. I'm gonna go in. I'm telling you, this sponge just is not good for me trying to use it up under my eye. It's rather large, but if you're trying to cover a lot of space, it does work. Okay, so this is the look using the Instylish sponge. I must say now, if you're looking at this, it did do a great job. I think if I use it more, maybe that's what I need to do, is just use it a little more. I do think it's a little large. Once you put water on it, it gets real large. So it's not the greatest for, definitely for not putting on concealer. I believe it would be good enough if you want to put on your foundation. But to put on concealer, no. And I use the same sponge to put on the concealer, to put the concealer on with. So maybe they have smaller sizes to use for, and which I'll go and look on the website. Smaller sizes. This is what the size they sent me. So maybe they could have smaller sizes that could work for putting on concealer. I like using a sponge to put on my concealer. I've basically been loving putting on my makeup with my brush. But I would definitely keep trying this, and I'll come back with another update for you on the Instylish sponge. And I will definitely have a link down below if you want to pick up the sponge. So let's continue getting ready. So from here, we probably speed this right on up. So I'm not going to talk through this part. I'm just going to keep right on rolling. So okay, beauties, I'm back. This is the look, my finished look. I hope you like it. My hair, well, I'm trying to learn how to have like maybe that beachy wave look that I love so much. Oh, I love the look. So I'm trying to achieve it. This side is where I started first, and first time trying this. And I didn't get it right too well. And I kept trying to go back, and the more I tried to go back, the worse, the straighter my hair started getting. So I went over to this side, and this is kind of more it. I still have to perfect the look, but this is it. So I hope you guys like it. And once I get this style perfected, now beachy wave look supposed to just pretty much look messy. Hairstyles I like. I do not like a precision, like structured hairstyle. I like when the wind blow, my hair blow and it comes back. So I love the messy look. So this is this. I hope you guys are enjoying my look. So, well, this is the end of my video. Like I said, I will link the sponges down to you on the down in the description bar in regards to the Instylish sponge. And it did, I must say, I think my makeup looked nice. What you think? I think I did a great job. And even on my hair, I tried to zhuzh it up a little bit. I think it came out pretty nice. So, well, I would like to thank you guys for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Oh, don't let me forget. I would like to first of all say thank you for watching. But if this is your first time coming across my video, why don't you go ahead and join me? If you made it here, you must like some of what you saw today. And there's many more videos to watch and to come. If you'll go down and hit the subscribe button and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. And to all my ride or dies, thank you so much for being there. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram. So that's where you will see most of my outfits is on Instagram. So follow me over there. But I would like to thank you guys, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye. 이별을 택했을까?